There's brand new construction site. This is huge. Just found this today, and where I live in Connecticut, this is rare. So hopefully this will give me a couple of months of really good fun. Because, you know, around where I live, you know, I don't find dirt at all. Location is gonna make me want to fix my Savage HP and bring it out here. Just let it rip. Alright, I'll be right back. How well the Ruckus is going to handle this. Smoother surfaces. Maybe over there. Let's see. Moving pretty damn well for a two-wheel drive truck. Man. Alright, hopefully give this spot a couple of weeks, hopefully they smoothen this out. But so you can actually drive this thing here. Look at that front flip. Oh, what the? This Ruckus is extremely tough. Definitely recommend it for beginners. And it's definitely one of the RCs that I have that require the least amount of maintenance and repairs. Had this truck for about in that year and a half. Got it off of eBay. One of the retailers who sells used and I don't know, returned merchandise, or I'm sure they have association with Horizon Hobby or something like that. But anyway, I got this truck for $140 shipped, and it was barely used. Nothing wrong with it at all. And I mean, that's pretty much the best $140 I've ever spent. Yeah, I mean, it has its issues, you know, sloppy steering. What else? That's pretty much it. I mean, seriously, I mean, sloppy steering is the least of a problem here. You know, if you're out here bashing a car like me, I mean, it is kind of annoying, right? You know, I can rarely center up the steering servo. You know, it doesn't drive straight. You know, I mean, it's constantly set the trim, but seriously, it does not matter when you're out here, like in a terrain like this. And this truck just keeps on going. And I mean, I've broken a couple of things, but everything was really cheap to replace, very easy to work on. I mean, I love RCs, but I don't have too much time for it. And I can't be fixing trucks like that every other day. And this truck is perfect for me, and I'm sure a lot of people out there too. You know. People have a lot of problems with the drive shaft, the rear drive shaft. Say they're plastic, they break easily. I mean, they are plastic. I have broken them once, and I got the replacement a few months ago. I mean, I never had a problem with them. I bash it like crazy. And after a year of abuse, you know, things like the spindle carriers, the rear hub carriers, they snapped. Picked up some RPM replacement parts, $10 each. and no issue with that. Like, with the amount of abuse I put in this truck, you know, for a year and a half, you know, $20 of replacement parts, not a big issue at all. The body actually started cracking on me, but I've landed this truck upside down from freaking 10-foot jumps many times over a year, and I mean, it's expected. I mean, it's probably, the shell can be a little bit thicker, but it's no big issue at all. You know, if it starts falling apart really bad, I'm just gonna pick up a new body for, you know, $30. But like I said, if you take a truck out in places like this, you know, who the hell cares? Oh man. Some people have gone to the, they didn't like the 48 pitch spur gears. They did mods to use the Team Associate 32 pitch spur gears. A little tougher, but I had no issue with the stock spur. I'm still on the stock spur gear, and for a while I was jumping this car in the parking lot. Lots of crazy jump. And eventually the motor screw came loose, so the motor shifted a little bit. It started stripping my spur gear, and all I did was tighten up back the tighten back up the motor mount, set the mash right back. I mean, I lost some plastic off of the teeth, but I set it right back. And I've been running this for the last 6 months. No issue at all. There are lots of mods I can do, and lots of improvement upgrades I can do to this truck. You know, read out a lot of forum threads about them. I know what I can do, what this truck is capable of, but I just don't. You know, why spend the money and time, and this truck just keeps on running, and you know, no reason for me to spend extra time and money to do it until things start breaking. And like I said, this truck just wouldn't give up. Gotta swap the batteries here. So I was saying how durable this truck is. Got the two Zippy batteries here. This truck pretty much outlift the LiPo batteries. These batteries are starting to go. It doesn't hold a charge, and you know, I can fully charge it. And this is how good this truck is. And I've done a couple of things here. The shocks are plastic. I've looked into replacing them. Lots of options out there. 95mm eye-to-eye uncompressed length up front, and 105mm in the back. I've wanted to replace them, but there's no issue with them. They don't leak. You know, I had to top them off once, maybe in the last year and a half. All I did was got some Duratrax Evader ST springs in there, medium strength. Stiffen up a little bit. The stock springs are a little too soft. Actually, I think it's perfect for the back. The front, I might go with a soft stiffness. You know, it's not because of performance, but it's standing a little bit too high up front. It looks a little weird. I kind of want the front to sit down a little bit more. The motor, Taser stock system, no issue at all. Doesn't get too hot. Oh, it does get a little too hot, but I measured it before, 120, 130 Fahrenheit. Not an issue at all.
Some people had trouble with the gear cover. They say dirt gets in and strips the gear, blah blah blah. There's an RPM replacement for it, $6, but never had an issue with it, so still stock. What else? As you can see, I got the TowerPro MG996R in there. This is like $6 servo. You can get off from eBay, and much better than a stock servo. I mean, yeah, it sometimes has problems centering, but like I said, for a basher truck, as long as you can turn the wheel, which the stock servo couldn't really do, you know, I'm fine with it. Still running the stock tires. These guys don't wear out at all. They look exactly the same as when I got them a year ago. I mean, I've plenty of Pro-Line monster truck tires. I can mount them here, but I just never bothered to do it. Alright. Oh man, it's a little wet. These LiPos are starting to act up. Just died. Wow, it's completely died. The battery connectors, or the heart case, is kind of deformed, and who knows what happened inside. The wires might have been shaved and crushed. Yeah, it's the same battery. We have the same problem. I had the same problem last time I shot my video, where I swapped to this battery, and I'm not sure if it's a thermal shutdown, the ESC, or is it a battery? I'm suspecting it's a battery. I mean, it's pretty warm, but it's not that hot. Yeah, the ESC is not even that warm at all. Yeah, time to get new batteries. Sure, if I go over there, it's pretty wet down there. Let's see. Yeah, let me stick around here, and that spot right there looks a lot smoother. But I'll go over there when it dries up. Oh no, no! Oh! I just said that. Didn't really have an issue with the drive shaft. Look at that. Finally broke after probably, when did I replace this? Actually, this is the side I never replaced. I replaced this side. As you can see, the yoke here kind of snapped. Ah, man, that sucks. But as I said before, for the amount of use I got, this broke. Not a bad deal. Like I have to spare one. I ordered the pair last time. Only used one, so not a big issue. Easy fix. I'll be back out here tomorrow. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.